Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video and we're doing a Fashionnova try on haul today, but this is outfit edition. So yeah, I forgot to film an intro, so this is just gonna be it, okay? So for my first outfit, it's kind of out of the box, okay? It's definitely out of the box. So this is the F-this-ish top in the size medium. This shirt is like a fashion t-shirt, so you can dress this up or you can dress it down. I wouldn't advise you to wear it to a church or a business meeting or anything like that. Don't do that. But I love how the material of the shirt is made. It's very, very stretchy, and you can size it down depending on how you want your shirt to fit. So I decided to pair this shirt with the New Girl Pleated mini skirt. Okay, this is in a size large. This to me is like a faux leather pleated skirt, y'all. It is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Now I wore this as a high-waisted skirt. I forgot how it's worn on the website. I'm not sure if it's these type of skirts are high-waisted anyway, because this is actually my first time trying these type of skirts, so I'm not sure. So the length will depend on how you wear it. You can wear it at your waist or a little bit above your waist, but this skirt is super cute. As y'all seen, it does have the zipper on the side, which is easy to get in and out of. It does come with the lining underneath, okay, because you do have them peeping times when your skirt be blowing. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I decided to pair this with the Luxe Attitude handbag, y'all. This handbag is so cute. I love the quilted vibes, like that pattern. I love it, okay? I love the versatility. I can never say that word. I love how versatile the bag is as well. You can wear it as a handbag with a little gold chain, or you can wear it with the strap to make it a crossbody bag. Now I was showing you guys the back of the bag first, so that's why it looked weird. It has a pocket on the back because you want to stick anything you need in there, but this is what the bag looks like. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what it looks like of the inside. I tried to get it as best as I could, but it just wasn't given how it's given. It's not too small and it's not too big either, but it's enough for you to put your wallet, phone, keys, and whatever else you need in there. So this is the outfit. This is how everything fits. I love how the skirt fit. Not too big, not too small. I love the shirt just perfect. If I had got that in a small, it would have been looking crazy. I love the bagginess of it. I did roll up or cuff up the sleeves just a little bit. Added accessories, you know. Like I said, this shirt wouldn't be suitable for business or church or anything like that, but you can make it do what it do. I think it turns out very cute. All right. So my next outfit is the Stacy overall jumpsuit. This is in the color black and white, and this is in the size large. Now sets come in one size. You can't mix and match and get like a different size. So it comes with the shirt and it comes with the overall. Now this material is definitely stretchy. If I had gotten a medium, I would have cried because it would have been too tight. So I love how this fit on me when it is put on, because it looks super big and it looks like it's gonna bag off, but it does not. Now with the straps were a little bit loose. I love how it hugged my ankles. It wasn't like wide and not tight fitting, form fitting around the ankle, because you know that wasn't gonna be cute if it was like that. But so this is how it looks on. Like I said, perfecto. If I had got a medium, I would have been looking like, sis, what, who, and why. This was super duper cute. I can see this for a brunch. Okay, I definitely little handbag in the cut. Again, I'm obsessed with that bag. Okay, kept the same accessories on. I pretty much don't change the accessories pretty much in the video. I could have for the next outfit, but y'all, I thought it was cute. So the next outfit, this is a Santorini super stretch flare jeans. Don't come for me if I pronounce that right, because I don't know. I did go ahead and pick up a size 15. Now when the Fashionnova jeans say stretch, I know I'm gonna be able to get them, because I fluctuate between 14 plus and a 15 depending on the make of the jeans. Now y'all know I love flare jeans. And these jeans, I just love how comfortable they are as well. They're not too tight. Like, they have enough stretch to them where they're comfortable. Like, I don't don't like jeans that are tight and it just look like I'm about to pop out on them. That is not the look I'm giving, okay? These are cute and I love the color. I also paired it with this Listen Carefully top. I honestly could have took a large. This does not have much stretch to it, so I would advise you to size up depending on the look you're going for though. Like I really feel like I needed just a little bit more room, so I would have sized up, but it's just a cute, simple, basic crop top. All right, so this is the look once I put it on. I love how the jeans fit, not too tight, not too loose. As you guys can see, they are kind of long at the bottom. I'm 5'4.5", so they may drag the ground. If you're wearing heels and you're my height, it's gonna lift up, but this is how it came out cute. It was cute. I love the color of the jeans as well. So next we have the A New York Minute short sleeve top in the size medium. This is in the color Off-White. So this next outfit is pretty much chill, like a run errand, but you still want to look cute and put together, okay? This is another fashion tee where you can dress this up or down. I paired it with the Big on Comfort jogger pant in the color Sand and in the size large. Now these joggers are not thick as sweatpants. They're more so sweatpants made for the springtime because they're loose and airy and they're not hot, okay? They're not hot. I love cuffs. I gotta have my cuffs at the end of my pants. It does come with the drawstring as well and pockets that work. Like I said, if you want a bit more baggier wear, I would definitely advise you to go up a size, but I just got the normal size I would get for joggers, which is a large. All right, y'all, so this is just like a chill everyday run your errands type of outfit. I think it's very, very cute and chill. I tucked it in, but then I took the shirt out to see how it looked. I probably would wear it out more so than tucked in, but like I said, it's very chill, something you can go grocery shopping in and still look bomb or whatever you got to do, you know. So yeah. So my last set is the Tennis Court 3 zip set. This is in a size large. I love this material, okay? This material is very much legging vibes, but it's not tight as leggings, okay? You know, it's thinner. I would say it's a little bit thinner than leggings. It's very, very comfortable. It's very, very cool. It's not too tight. Even though it's form-fitting, it's not tight where, oh my gosh, I can't walk. Like, I need to take these off. Like, I love how this fit in the jacket. Amazing, okay? It does have drawstrings, zipper, have little pockets on the side, and this whole fit is cute. It does have a hood, y'all know, and now you never know what could happen, okay? But I think it's a perfect set for spring, okay? I paired it with the overtime slip on sneakers. I wear a size 7.5, but I just always go up a size so I can have room in my shoes. These shoes are super comfy and I wear them all the time. I love sneakers that I don't have to tie up. I can just slip my feet on them and go. I have so many pairs of these, y'all, because I'm obsessed. I'm clearly obsessed with these. These are so cute. And like I said, they're very, very comfy. So this is how the outfit came together. Like I said, cute, comfy, and it's just very, very much chill. Definitely run errands type of vibe. Even, you know, you can wear it as a fit if you want to. But like I said, I'm big on sneakers that are very comfortable because I walk a lot. So that's just what it is. So this concludes my Fashion Nova try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.